Hey, so this is the entire newsletter that we have created using AI without any human intervention. So if you see all the sources, all the content, titles and design, everything is created by AI and with the help of this particular automation. So this is the automation that we are using to create newsletter and send it to our subscribers, right? And they are actually in love with this kind of a newsletter, very helpful, insightful and valuable, right? So basically here, let me show you what exactly happening in the backend. So basically there's a trigger. So basically we are actually sending newsletter every once every week, right? So every week this particular automation will be triggered, and after that we actually add the query over here for on which we want to write, or we want to basically create a newsletter. So right now this is the query for that AI adoption for small businesses, and this particular node will take this query and research around this topic and find all the resources, sources and everything for that particular query, right? And then we actually give it to our planning agent. So basically this planning agent will then try to give us the topics around that, right, based on the research that this particular node has done, right? And then we actually split out all of this topic into one single topic, and then we give all of this topic one by one to this particular node called Tavily node, right? And then it will then individually go and research about each and every topic and come up with really good sources and content, and also it scores them so that we know which one is more relevant and which one is more not relevant, right? And then once that is done, this particular agent will then write it by sections, right? So there are actually, let me show you. So if you see basically there are actually multiple section in newsletter. If you see this, there are multiple sections, right? So basically it will then write it down in the section format, and then we aggregate everything into one, and then there's a last AI agent that is the editor agent. So it will basically then design and format the final content or the final output, right? And once that is done, then we actually send it to our Gmail, and we draft the newsletter. Again, it's up to you now. If you have if you are already using any of the platform, let's say Beehive or Substack, so you can basically send this output to that platform as well, and then you can publish that, right, manually. If you want to do it automatically, you can do that as well. But again, in the final step, I want someone to check and review the factual information in it, because sometimes these AI agents actually hallucinate on factual information, right? So I don't want to actually depict any wrong factual information or data in my newsletter, because then I have a lot of people who have subscribed to that, and if I don't do any manual check in the last, maybe it can harm my reputation, right? So again, I would highly recommend all of you to, if you are going to use this, I highly recommend all of you to do some manual check in the end before you send this to your subscriber, right? So that is the entire system that I have built. Now if you want this system, what you can do, you can just click the link in the description box below. You can join the community. By the way, it's completely free, and you can basically then get this system from the classroom section, right? So yeah, I hope you find this video really helpful, and if you have any doubts, any concerns, or any video idea, you can drop them in the comment box below, and then I'll be happy to answer that. I'll be happy to create videos upon that. So yeah, thank you so much again for joining this channel and watching this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care.